Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the official launch still a few months away, we're already seeing some exciting details that could make this flagship a game changer in the smartphone world. So let's get into what we know so far. First up, let's talk about the design. Samsung has been known for its bold and sharp designs in recent years, but it looks like they're taking a different approach with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a well-known leaker, Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra is expected to have more rounded edges compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is easily recognizable with its sharp edges, but this design choice comes at a cost. Many users have found it uncomfortable to hold for extended periods as the sharp corners dig into the palms. Samsung seems to have listened to the feedback, as the S25 Ultra is rumored to be much more comfortable to hold, thanks to its rounded corners and a better screen-to-body ratio. One of the standout details from the recent leaks is the improved screen-to-body ratio. Ice Universe mentioned that the S25 Ultra will have a narrower display aspect ratio, making it more screen and less bezel. This is a significant upgrade from the S24 Ultra, where the body width of 79mm included a screen width of only 72.3mm, with the rest being frame. This change should enhance the viewing experience and make the phone look more sleek and modern. However, these design changes come with a trade-off. The sharp edges of the S24 Ultra made it instantly recognizable, setting it apart from other smartphones. With the S25 Ultra's more rounded design, it might lose that distinctiveness and look more like other Android smartphones from afar. But for many users, the comfort in hand will likely outweigh the desire for a unique aesthetic. Now let's get into the visuals. Ice Universe has shared several renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the difference is clear. The side-by-side comparisons of the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra highlight the shift from sharp to rounded edges. These renders also showcase the S Pen, which looks quite similar to previous models, hinting that Samsung is sticking with a familiar design for this key feature. But the comparisons don't stop there. Another render places the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max next to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. These two giants have been battling it out in the flagship market for years, and it looks like 2025 will be no different. The rivalry between Apple and Samsung is as fierce as ever, and these design changes could be a crucial factor in the competition. The design changes might not stop with the edges, though. There are rumors about a unique twist to the phone's middle frame. Instead of a fully straight or curved frame, the S25 Ultra could feature a rounded back with a straighter front near the display. This asymmetrical design might give the phone a whole new feel, making it stand out in a crowded market. Design isn't the only thing to get excited about. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also rumored to come with some impressive camera upgrades. We're talking about a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 50-megapixels telephoto lens. These additions could take mobile photography to the next level, allowing for even more detailed and vibrant shots. Under the hood, while the design changes might make it look less distinctive, the comfort in hand and performance upgrades could make it one of the best smartphones of 2025. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? What do you think about the design changes? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tech updates and leaks. That's it for today. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.